In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Square appointments to Facebook. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking to streamline your booking process or a small business owner wanting a unified online presence, I've got you covered. Linking your Square appointments to Facebook can help you manage bookings more effectively and reach your customers where they are. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and head over to the official Square website at squareup.com. Once you're there, it's time to sign in. Simply locate and click on the sign in button on the top right corner of the home page. This step will take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your Square account credentials. Make sure you have your email and password handy and proceed to log in. Once logged into your account's dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Here, you'll find an option labeled Online. Clicking this will open up several additional options for you to explore. What you'll want to do next is click on Sales Channel. This feature is where you'll manage all the platforms your Square appointments are linked to, giving you greater control over your online presence. After accessing the sales channel section, it's time to scroll down and keep an eye out for the Facebook option. Facebook is a powerful channel for reaching your customers, and integrating it with your Square appointments can streamline your customer interactions and booking process. When you find the Facebook section, you'll see a button labeled View. Clicking View will present you with the integration settings. At this point, you'll want to focus on linking your Facebook account. Click on the Login with Facebook button. Now allow any prompts asking for necessary permissions to ensure both platforms can communicate effectively. The integration setup process is simple and typically involves just a few prompts about permissions and authorizations. These are crucial as they enable Square appointments to sync with your Facebook page, ensuring that your booking information is always up to date and accessible to your clients. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Square appointments to your Facebook page. From now on, your clients can book appointments with ease directly through your Facebook page, enhancing their experience and boosting your efficiency. Remember, maintaining a seamless connection between your platforms not only saves time, but also enhances the overall customer experience. If you have any questions or run into any snags along the way, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials that help you navigate the digital space with ease.